Bundles on Shopify allow you to group 2 or more products together and sell them at a discounted price. It's a great way to get customers to buy more products from you and make you more money. Most bundles on Shopify are fixed, however, where a customer can't select the products they want to save money on. With the Build Your Own Bundles app that you can install for your Shopify store, customers can build their own bundles, choosing products within a price range. Let me show you an example. Here is a store that is using the Build Your Own Bundles app. If it wasn't a customizable bundle, however, the case would be a predetermined combination of an Adidas and a Vans product. But with this easy-to-use widget bundle, the customer can choose from a variety of products from each brand and can get a discount anyway. Of course, the shop owner, you, decides about the rules, what products to include, what price range to set. But from the customer's point of view, it's a very appealing way of spending their money. And that's what they're there for, right? So ready to learn how to install this app? Go to your Shopify page's admin site and search for the Build Your Own Bundle app. Then step 2, click here on Install Now. Then step 3, make sure that it's set to Embed Widget. And then scroll down here where you'll see an installation guide as well. It's what we're going to follow. Then step 4, as you can see here, the first step of installation is basically done before you'd have to do anything, because a Build Your Own Bundles design widget will be used for this bundle. Then step 5, click on Install Build Your Own Bundles Mini Embed Bundle. And just like that, it's installed. The app block is inserted into the product information section. Now you can change the order of the Build Your Own Bundles Embed Widget app block here and hide extra elements that you don't need, such as the option select boxes, the add to cart button, the shop pay button, and the quantity selector. If you want to customize the style, you can play around with a few options. You can change the colors, the number of items per row, etc. There are plenty of options to make your bundle stand out. And then after you create a bundle, the preview will be available here. But make sure that you click on the Save button up here to finalize the action. So now, when you're creating bundles, just select the Build Your Own Bundle Embed template. And so now when the customer goes to a product with the Embed Widget bundle, they can save money on products they prefer. And that's how easy it is to install the widget bundle. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.